Hi. When I first became a YouTuber, I was your basic beauty guru. And then I get into vlogging and I could call myself an entertainer of sorts. Now, as much as I like entertaining people and making people laugh, I also would like for people to watch my videos and get an inspiration out of it, get a motivation out of it, and get something out of it that they can use to help their life. So here's the plan for 2019. I'm going to start this new series on my channel in which I'm going to take you with me in reaching my New Year's resolutions, new life resolutions, 2019 goals, whatever you want to call it. Before that I can do that, I need to come up with goals. So yeah, that's everything I would like to reach or achieve this year. Besides having fun, but oh well, we'll see. How actually are we gonna do this? Obviously guys, this is just a snippet of what I want to achieve this year. All these goals can be broken up into way smaller goals to achieve your goals quicker. That was 3 times the word goals in a sentence. Wow. I'm gonna hang this up on my wall now. I think this video clearly states what we are up to in 2019. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any interest in only one of the goals that I want to achieve this year, then just subscribe and I'll take you guys with me on this journey. Yeah, other than that, see you guys next time and bye!